Look. Are you starting to go? Where's it going? Hmm? Going. Beep, 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 beep. You go see it?
Yeah.
Can you get closer?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Ella. Come on, Ella. Be careful going up here, Nolan.
Oh.
Nolan, come here. Let's cross the street so we can watch it. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay, come on, Ella. Come on. Good job. Good job, Ella. Waiting for Yeah. So you can't get too close, Nolan, remember? Remember what we said about getting too close? Right? Stand back here. Is that a big trash truck? What color? What color is it? Is it blue? Blue? Hi. Which one's gonna get next?
That one.
Yeah? Yeah. Got it. Whoa! That was a lot, huh? There's a lot of trash in that one. Ooh, there's a lot of dirt in that one. Whoa! Can I scare you? Okay. It's gonna get out now. Gotta get out and get all that stuff. See? There's the trash man. Now you gotta clean it up. It's not annoying. Good. See, he's sweeping it. Gotta sweep it all, huh?
A trash man.
Who is that?
Trash man.
Yep, that's the trash man. See, sometimes he's gotta clean it up. That's annoying, huh? People fill up their trash cans too much. Today's been a hard day for him, huh? Ella, what's that? Ella, is that the park? Huh?
A park?
You wanna go to the park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the park. Say bye, trash truck. Bye, trash man. Say bye, trash man.
Bye.
Bye, trash man. Bye, trash man. Bye, trash truck. Can you say bye? Come on, say bye. You can say bye.
Bye.
Here's our beautiful puppy. Right?
Park.
You want to go to the park?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hold my hand, please. Say bye. See? Come on.
Bye.
Huh?
Beep. Bye.
What do you want to do, Noel?
Beep.
Bye, Jessica.
Bye. Bye, Doctor.
Trash man works real hard, doesn't he?
Whoa.
That's cool, wasn't it? Is that your belly button? Is that your belly button?
Yeah?
You have a belly button?
Mama, button.
No, it's not as cute as yours.
Button.
Say I love you.
Bye.
Say I love you. No one, you can't say anything. Hey, can't walk across the street like that. Let's hold hands. Thanks. Okay. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Shasta. Well, cool.
Say, until next trash day. See you next trash day. Right? See you next trash day.
Shasta. Cool.
Huh?